Brian, temperatures soaring into the 70s is not stopping holiday preparations here in Milwaukee County.
This morning, a 40-foot tall Christmas tree was cut down and is now on display in Red Arrow Park. It's not the sound you typically think of when you're trying to get into the holiday spirit, but this is how it's happened in Milwaukee County for the past 102 years.
It really signifies the kickoff of the good things that are coming. And it's such an amazing event because, poof, the tree's gone.
This year's tree, a 40-foot tall blue spruce, is being donated by a family. It was out in front of their woodworking business on the far north side.
My sister-in-law was joking that we don't make many cabinets out of pine, so we should donate the tree and have it go to a good cause.
We're expecting our first child on New Year's Eve this year, so there's a lot of excitement around that, and then to tack on being the donating family, it's just been an exciting way to enter the holiday season.
Obviously, it takes a lot of work to get this tree downtown. Once they get it cut down, take a look, they're loading it onto that flatbed truck. This is going to be the tree's ride down to Red Arrow Park. It's going to take an hour and a half for it to get there. Pretty slow going. Normally that drive from here would take you just 20 minutes.
We customized this trailer years ago, and it's got special cradles in it to actually hold the tree.
Then the 4,300-pound behemoth of a tree sets out on its journey, complete with its own slow-moving holiday motorcade.
Obviously, it stands tall on the trailer, so we have to look out for overhead obstructions, and that's why we have a police escort that helps us bring it through the city.
It's in the heart of Milwaukee, and that's exactly the point, is to have people and families come and enjoy this place that we want people to enjoy.
The tree lighting ceremony is set for 2 weeks from tonight in Red Arrow Park, and this year's tree cutting operation went pretty smoothly.
Especially when you compare to what happened back in 2008.
Actually, Iowa Street. So from Iowa Street, oh, and there it goes. Oh, that's not good.
Best reaction ever, Diane. That happened during a morning live shot right here on today's TMJ4. Engineering arborists with the Milwaukee Forestry Department were able to put the tree back together.